Welcome back in RS. This is Raj Singh. Today we have discusses about chapter first, wireless and cloud technologies. You know what is wireless? Less of wire, without wire, and know about cloud technologies. So let's start it. Firstly, we discuss wireless technologies. Wireless technologies, for example, we used the remote and Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot, and many things which is come in wireless technologies. Wireless technologies stumbling upon wires of network computers or other personal computing devices are going to be thing of past. Very soon you will be walking in wireless environment where you will see the appliances lying but not single wire. In fact, these are invisible interlinked by using wireless technology and can interact each other to share data and other control signals. Let us learn about popular wireless technologies which are becoming popular day by day. Just tell us about in past. In the previous on firstly in previous we uses wires to connect and control each other. Today we can use wireless technologies. Without wire we use that infrared communications which are common wireless technologies which come in wireless technologies. In your daily life, many times you use an infrared communications. Remote control comes in infrared communications. In your डेली लाइफ मैनी टाइम्स यू यूज़ इंफ्रारेड कम्युनिकेशन. हम अपने दैनिक जीवन में कई बार हम इंफ्रारेड कम्युनिकेशंस का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, यूजिंग अ रिमोट कंट्रोल यू कैन स्विच वन ऑफ कंट्रोल द apparatus of a TV or an air conditioner. These days, laptops and cellular phones are also equipped with IRDA interface inferred ports to transfer data and communicate with each other. What can tell us? They tell about that the in our daily life, हम आजकल के दैनिक जीवन में हम कई चीज़ें इंफ्रारेड कम्युनिकेशन के हम अपने दैनिक जीवन में हर रोज़ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. हम अपने एक एग्जाम्पल में उदाहरण में ले सकते हैं रिमोट एंड स्विच ऑफ टीवी एंड AC. दिस इज द कॉमन एग्जाम्पल फॉर दैट. एंड स्विच द बल्ब, switch the fan, and switch was used in infrared communications daily life. Now we know about Bluetooth technologies. What is Bluetooth technologies? Use short range radio link to connect and replaces the necessity of cables to enables wireless data and communication between Bluetooth enabled devices. You know, this is you very well know about Bluetooth technologies. Bluetooth technology has used short range radio link. The Bluetooth can work in short range radio link. Okay, Bluetooth help in the devices can PC, laptops, mobile telephones and headsets, PDA, digital cameras, MP3 players, microwave ovens and so on. Even the system unit of computer can be paired but with the Bluetooth enabled wireless mouse, keyboard and monitor. These were the wireless monitor and wireless keyboard and mouse were worked with the help of Bluetooth technologies. And for example, you take that for sharing the photos which we can used about that Bluetooth technology. Bluetooth technology is easy without cost, which they were used in transferring applications, also movies and many things and file etc. This comes in wireless technology. Next that we have to discuss is that what can this, they were used in unlimited cables linking कंप्यूटर टू प्रिंटर. ये यूज़ किया जाता है लिंकिंग कंप्यूटर प्रिंटर्स को एक में लिंक करने के लिए. थर्ड यूज़ ऑफ दैट, हुक अप MP3 प्लेयर्स वायरलेसली टू अदर मशीन्स टू डाउनलोड म्यूजिक. इसका यूज़ किया जाता है अदर मशीन्स टू डाउनलोड म्यूजिक डाउनलोड करने के लिए MP3 प्लेयर वायरलेसली विदाउट वायर. फोर्थ, सेटअप होम नेटवर्क सो दैट अ पर्सन्स कैन रिमोटली मॉनिटर एयर कंडीशन. यह होम नेटवर्क है जिसको हम ब्लूटूथ से ही कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं मॉनिटर एयर ओवन को भी. ठीक है. कॉल होम फ्रॉम रिमोट लोकेशन टू टर्न अप्लायंसेस एंड ऑफ, set the alarm on monitor activity. This is the uses of Bluetooth. In next video we discusses about Wi-Fi technologies and WiMAX technologies, the differences between WiMAX and Wi-Fi, global GPS, GPRS and many things, many applications we discuss in next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the RS.